Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Mercedes Benz SLK. So from any screen, you've got Navi here, or if you knock this control, the rotary control, up to the top and select Navi, click on Navi, and you've got last destinations, enter destination, and you can use this rotary control to select enter destination there. So click on enter destination, enter address, enter point of interest, select on map, enter geo coordinates. So we want enter address, click on enter address. Then it's come up on city or postcode. Postcode's the easiest by far, and then we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR, and we just need to go down, to numbers there, PR5, 4, and then back up to letters, J, S, PR5, 4JS, select that. It's asking me for a street, or I can just go down to start guidance. It's same thing, putting a street in.
The route has been calculated.
That's it.